guys? Today, my dad is gonna repair my wheels on my bike. Now we're already gonna change the tires and so this tire is not supposed to be, but really the one that I'm holding, it's not supposed to be on my bike. But we replaced it because it was because the black one, the other black one, just turned around and moved it. Okay, so my dad is videoing, and this is me. Dad is changing my bike. Eva, say hello. We're videoing, and this is my sister. We got 7 bikes. That's a lot of bikes. We got some bikes outside. God, look at this. This is our bike. From the
Try this one first. Okay. How does it feel?
good. It's lots.
Okay, try it again. We have to add some more. We have to inflate it. The tire should be inflated. It's kinda
Relaxing.
flat.
All relaxing, Daddy.
Good. We're gonna change the tire, okay? With that tire there. Hold it there. Now we're gonna move this one here. Hold it up. Great. Check. Force up to the center. Then you remove it. Hold it up.
You remove it.
Like this. There. Let it go over. You don't mix with the other one. Right? Remove it. Okay, now we put that one.
It's standing by itself.
Tire.
Standing by itself,
Put
Daddy.
it there. Now we move it there. Move it the other one. Now you put the other thing like this.
What?
Over there. Other one. The other screwdriver. Like that. This one here.
Dripping like gold, you got me so wild. Dripping like gold, I'm a
Good.
queen, I'm a queen.
We're gonna test drive. When you replace the tire.
You got me so
Alright.
wild.
Right on, right on. How was it? How's your driving now?
I'm a queen, I'm a
Comfortable?
dripping like gold.
Oh, nice. Very good.
I'm a queen, I'm a
Woohoo!
queen.
Feel better now? Now look at the difference between your tires. The previous one and this black one. It has a nice grip, right? Good grip. You-
I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen.
yeah.
Dripping like
Mhm.
gold.
Now when you turn, it has a good grip now. You won't slide right away. You won't trip. See? See the difference? Do you need more air? Do we need to inflate it or perfect? The tires are perfect.
I think just a little bit because like this one,
Uh-huh.
this one is quite good,
Good.
but this one,
Can you check? Try it again. Good?
I thought this was harder.
Okay.
You got me so
Okay, we will add some more, okay? Now check.
I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen.
Drive over there and go back here.
I think the two tires are already open.
Holy moly. Holy moly. How's that? Ouch. Okay.
You got me so
Okay, you go get your bike. Stand up.
like gold. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen.
Yeah.
Press your button.
Okay. Now clean up your
You got me so wild. I
okay.
have control.
So lesson learned again.
I'm a queen, I'm a
When you when you turn.
You got me so
Just turn like this.
Yeah. Okay, show them your boo boo.
queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen.
I think that was from the previous one.
No, that
We'll
was
clean it. We'll clean it.
yeah.
Okay. Let's go.
So,